Let me show you how to do the dual battery wiring setup. It's very easy and simple. Firstly, you need a cable kit just like this. One end is Anderson plug, the other end is the terminal. For example, this one is a starting battery. Next is a red cable with a positive terminal, and the red one with a negative terminal. And the Anderson plug right into the battery box. Here is a 50 amps RBD, so it's a dual battery system. It's very easy. And this one having 30 amp NPD solar charger built-in, so you can do similar setup as well. It's very easy. Let me show you. Here is the blue Anderson plug, the same color. You just plug it inside. It's starting battery, so it's dual battery system already. Yeah. Because there is MPP solar charger as well, so we prepare a solar kit for you, just like this. One end is yellow and this plug. This one is NC for connected to the solar panel. Plug it into your yellow and this plug, so you can go into the solar panel directly. It's very convenient. Thank you for your watching.